Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naila Isma Kalista, class 1010 and number 27. Today, I will tell you a story about a city that lost its shadow. The town that lost its shadows. It's a small town always bathed in sunlight. Something strange was happening. Everyone was losing their shadows. At first, no one noticed. People continued their daily activities as usually. They walked to the market, went to school, and worked anywhere. That something that had always followed them was gone. However, a child named Arka noticed as he played in the yard. He noticed the ground beneath his feet was empty. No shadow was mimicking his movements. He fried, he tried jumping, running, even finding his hands still nothing. Where did my shadow go? He muttered. Arka began to notice other people. It turned out he was the only one. The entire town had lost its shadows. Intrigued, Arka decided to find the answer. He walked towards the forest on the outskirts of town, a place that was said to hold many secrets. The deeper he went, the quieter it became. Finally, he came upon a lake whose water was as black as mirror. As he approached, a fine figure suddenly appeared from the air. "What are you looking for, little one?" asked the voice. "Our shadows are missing too. You know where they are?" asked Arka boldly. The figure smiled faintly. "Shadows are just..." Figure smiled faintly. "Shadows aren't just reflection of light. They're a part of you that you often ignore." Arka answered they didn't understand. "You're too busy pursuing perfection." The voice continued, "that you forget the other side of yourself, fear, sadness, and mistakes. The shadow is where all of that lives. So we lost it because we ignored it?" asked Arka. The figure nodded. "If you want to get it back, you have to accept yourself completely." Arka returned to town and told the story. At first, the people did believe him, but slowly they began to reflect. They began to be honest with themselves. They admitted their fears, apologized for their mistake, and accepted their shortcomings. And one morning, the shadow returned. Slowly, one by one, shadows reappeared beneath their deep feet, following their every step, just as they had before. From then on, the city not only lived in light, but also learned to appreciate darkness as a part of life. And Arka, he smiled, seeing his shadow again, not as something terrifying, but as an inseparable part of himself. Thank you.